Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering you've lost your job, your phone is broken, or your family suddenly needs emergency funds. Would you feel calm or would panic set in? Most people don't fail financially because they don't earn enough, they fail because they don't save. Today we'll explore the real benefits of saving money, why saving is more powerful than investing at the beginning, and exactly how you can start saving even if your income is small. This could be the most important financial habit you ever build. Saving money equals freedom. When you have money in the bank, you have options. You can leave a toxic job, start a business, invest, or seize new opportunities. Without savings, you're trapped and forced to make decisions out of desperation. Saving gives you decision power, and with that comes true freedom, the ultimate form of wealth. The ability to choose your path without fear is priceless, and it all starts with building a savings habit. Financial stress can destroy your focus, relationships, and mental health. But when you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, you sleep better, think clearer, and make smarter decisions. Saving money buys you peace of mind. It's not just about the numbers, it's about knowing you're protected from life's surprises. This sense of security allows you to live more fully and confidently, without the constant worry of what might go wrong. Wealth isn't built by income alone, it's built by behavior. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He didn't start rich, he started saving early. Saving builds patience, delayed gratification, and financial intelligence. These traits make you unstoppable in the long run. The discipline you develop by saving regularly becomes the foundation for all your future financial success. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage and grow what you have. Before you can invest in stocks, crypto, real estate, or a business, you need capital. Saving is the first step. Even if you're interested in assets like Bitcoin or XRP, you can't invest consistently without a savings discipline. Think of saving as the engine and investing as the accelerator. Without fuel in the tank, you're not going anywhere. Build your savings first, and you'll have the power to invest wisely and confidently. Emergencies happen to everyone. If you don't have savings, you might turn to credit cards, high-interest loans, or borrowing from friends. This creates a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Savings break that cycle. Instead of paying interest to others, you earn control over your life. Having a financial cushion means you can handle surprises without falling into debt traps, giving you more stability and peace of mind. Let's be honest, most people don't save because they think they don't make enough, or they'll save when they earn more, or they'll start next month. But income is rarely the real problem. The real issue is lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. If you can't save $100 out of $1,000, you won't save $1,000 out of $10,000. Saving is not about the amount, it's about building the habit. Now let's get practical. The first step to saving is to pay yourself first. Before spending on food, entertainment, or shopping, save 10–20% of your income automatically. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid every month. Your future self deserves to be paid just as much as anyone else. By making saving a priority, you ensure that you're always building towards financial security. Simple budgeting method is the 50–30–20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investing. If 20% feels too high, start with 5%. The key is to start small, but start now. Over time, as your income grows or your expenses decrease, you can increase your savings rate. This structure helps you balance living for today and preparing for tomorrow. Automation is your best friend when it comes to saving. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account. When your savings are out of sight, they're out of mind and out of reach for impulse spending. Automation removes the emotion from saving, making it a consistent and effortless part of your financial routine. This simple step can make all the difference in sticking to your savings goals. Most people don't know where their money goes each month. That's why tracking your income, expenses, subscriptions, and random spending is crucial. Awareness creates control. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make smarter choices and identify areas where you can cut back. This habit gives you the power to take charge of your finances and reach your savings goals faster. When your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. But the wealthy grow their savings rate instead. Rather than spending more on luxuries, focus on saving a larger percentage of your income. This is how you accelerate your financial growth and build wealth faster. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow over time. Our first savings goal should be an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This isn't money for investing, it's protection money. An emergency fund shields you from unexpected events and gives you the confidence to take calculated risks in the future. Once you have this safety net, you can focus on building wealth more aggressively, knowing you're protected from life's surprises. Let's look at the long-term impact of saving. If you save just $10 per day, that's $300 per month or $3,600 per year. Invested wisely over 10 to 20 years, that can become truly life-changing. Saving isn't flashy or viral, but it's powerful. The difference between people who struggle financially and those who achieve freedom is one simple habit: consistency. Small, regular savings add up to big results over time. At the end of the day, it's not money that changes your life, it's your habits. Building the habit of saving consistently is what separates those who struggle from those who achieve financial freedom. By focusing on your daily actions and making saving a non-negotiable part of your routine, you set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, habits shape your future far more than any single paycheck ever could. Financial uncertainty is a reality for everyone. Whether it's a sudden job loss, an unexpected bill, or a family emergency, life can throw surprises your way. The difference between panic and calm often comes down to whether you have savings to fall back on. By preparing in advance, you give yourself the gift of peace of mind, knowing you can handle whatever comes your way. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, always one emergency away from financial disaster. This cycle is exhausting and stressful. Breaking free starts with saving, even if it's just a small amount each month. Over time, your savings grow and you gain the confidence to make better decisions for your future. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Having savings gives you the flexibility to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. Whether it's investing in a new venture, taking a career break, or supporting a loved one, your options expand with every dollar saved. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having choices. Imagine going to bed each night without worrying about bills or emergencies. That's the peace of mind that comes from having a financial cushion. Savings act as a buffer, absorbing life's shocks and letting you focus on what matters most. This sense of security is invaluable and worth every effort you put into saving. Saving money isn't just about putting cash aside, it's about developing financial intelligence. You learn to distinguish between wants and needs, delay gratification, and make smarter choices. These skills serve you for life, helping you navigate any financial situation with confidence and clarity. Patience is a key ingredient in building wealth. Saving regularly, even in small amounts, teaches you to think long-term. Over time, your patience is rewarded as your savings grow and opportunities multiply. Remember, wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Think of your savings as the engine that powers your financial journey. Without a strong engine, you can't accelerate towards your goals. Investing is important, but it only works when you have the fuel, your savings, to keep moving forward. Start by building your engine and the rest will follow. Debt can feel like a trap, especially when emergencies force you to borrow at high interest rates. By saving in advance, you break free from this cycle. Instead of paying interest to lenders, you keep your money working for you. This shift in mindset is crucial for long-term financial health. Interest can work for you or against you. When you save and invest, interest helps your money grow. But when you borrow, interest drains your resources. By prioritizing savings, you put yourself on the right side of the equation, earning instead of paying interest. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending increases as your income rises. It's easy to fall into the trap of upgrading your lifestyle with every raise or bonus, but if you want to build wealth, resist this urge. Keep your expenses steady and direct extra income towards savings and investments instead. The amount you save matters less than the habit itself. Even small, regular savings build momentum and confidence. Over time, your habit grows stronger and your savings grow larger. Focus on consistency, not perfection, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. One of the best ways to ensure you save is to treat your savings like any other bill. Make it non-negotiable. Set up automatic transfers so you never forget. By prioritizing your future self, you make saving a natural part of your monthly routine. Don't be discouraged if you can't save a large percentage of your income right away. Start with what you can, 5%, even 1%. The important thing is to begin. As your financial situation improves, increase your savings rate. Every little bit counts and adds up over time. When you automate your savings, you remove the temptation to spend what you should be saving. Automatic transfers make saving effortless and consistent. This simple step can help you stick to your goals, even when life gets busy or tempting offers come your way. Keeping your savings in a separate account makes it less likely you'll dip into it for everyday expenses. Out of sight, out of mind. This separation helps you stay disciplined and ensures your savings grow undisturbed. Tracking your money gives you the awareness needed to take control of your finances. When you see where every dollar goes, you can make informed decisions and cut unnecessary expenses. This awareness is the first step towards financial mastery. Monthly subscriptions can quietly drain your finances if you're not careful. Regularly review and cancel any services you no longer use. This simple habit can free up extra cash for your savings and help you stay on track. It's easy to lose track of small, random purchases. Coffee runs, snacks, and impulse buys can add up quickly. By tracking these expenses, you become more mindful and can redirect that money into your savings instead. When you find ways to increase your income through a raise, side hustle, or new job, commit to boosting your savings rate at the same time. This is how you accelerate your financial progress and avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. The wealthy don't just earn more, they save more. By increasing their savings rate as their income grows, they build wealth faster and more securely. This mindset shift is key to achieving lasting financial freedom. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects you from unexpected expenses and gives you the confidence to take risks and pursue opportunities. Make building this fund your top priority before focusing on investing or other financial goals. Remember, your emergency fund is not for investing or making a profit. Its sole purpose is protection. Once you have this foundation in place, you can pursue higher returns with your other savings and investments. With your emergency fund in place, you can focus on building wealth more aggressively. Invest in assets that grow over time, knowing you have a safety net to fall back on. This balanced approach sets you up for long-term success. Saving consistently, even in small amounts, allows you to take advantage of compound growth. Over years and decades, your money multiplies, turning small daily habits into life-changing results. The earlier you start, the greater the impact. You don't have to be perfect to succeed financially. Consistency is far more important. By saving regularly, no matter the amount, you build momentum and confidence. Over time, these small actions add up to big results. The difference between people who struggle financially and those who achieve freedom often comes down to one habit: saving consistently. It's not about luck or talent, it's about making the right choices day after day. Saving money may not be glamorous or exciting, but it's the foundation of financial success. While others chase quick wins or viral trends, you'll be quietly building real wealth $1 at a time. No matter where you are today, you can start building your financial future right now. The sooner you begin saving, the sooner you'll experience the benefits of freedom, security, and peace of mind. Your future self will thank you. Ultimately, your habits determine your destiny. By making saving a core part of your life, you set yourself up for a future filled with choices, opportunities, and security. Start today and watch your life transform over time. Thank you for watching. Remember, money doesn't change your life, habits do. Keep building your savings habit and you'll unlock the freedom and security you deserve. See you in the next video where we'll continue your journey to financial mastery.